Up to this point, you've learned how wealth is created internally before it ever shows up externally. You've learned how to hold vision without anxiety, how to act without forcing, and how to trust the process while still moving forward. Now, this lesson is about something deeper, making this way of being your daily lifestyle. Alignment is not something you switch on when you want results. Alignment is how you live, think, act, and respond every day. When you are aligned, your thoughts, emotions, actions, and intentions are moving in the same direction. There is no internal contradiction. You're not visualizing abundance while emotionally living in fear. You're not taking action while secretly doubting yourself. Alignment is coherence. It's when your inner world and outer behavior match. In alignment daily means you stop treating wealth thinking as a technique and start treating it as your natural operating system. This is where gratitude becomes permanent, not occasional. Gratitude is not just appreciation for what you have, it is your ongoing recognition that life is supporting you, that source is active, and that creation is already in motion. When gratitude becomes a posture instead of a practice, urgency dissolves. You stop asking, is it working? Because you feel grounded in certainty. Staying connected to source, however you want to personally define it, as God or the universe or source itself, is essential here. Source is the intelligence behind creation, opportunity, ideas, timing, intuition, wealth, everything. It's the source. Alignment means you stay receptive, you listen more, you react less, you move through your day asking, what is the aligned response right now? Instead of, how do I force this to happen? This is how alignment turns into a lifestyle. It's not dramatic, it's steady, it's calm, it's grounded, and over time, this way of living compounds into clarity, confidence, better decisions, stronger relationships, and sustainable wealth. At this stage, you're no longer chasing outcomes. You're becoming the person outcomes naturally move toward.